Welcome to another LTS unboxing video. I'm Joel, and today we're unboxing the Pro X Indoor PTZ Camera. First, let's take a look at what's inside the box. We have the Pro X Indoor PTZ Camera itself, followed by the installation template, screws and anchors, foam dampener, weatherproof cable housing, and the safety tether. For added flexibility, several accessories are also available, including the wall mount, the ceiling mount, and the pendant mount. This design is meant to be low profile, making it perfect for retail or grocery stores. This camera has a 4-megapixel sensor and a 25x optical zoom, allowing you to enhance fine details such as faces or points of sale areas with exceptional clarity. Have you ever found yourself manually reviewing hours of footage, wishing there was a better way to find what you need? Well, this camera has advanced human detection and auto tracking to help you find your target quickly and accurately. And when the lights go down, powerful infrared LEDs provide clear visibility up to 328 feet with no visible red glow, keeping this camera discreet even at night. Installation is made quick and simple. With the PoE cable, just mount the camera directly onto the ceiling and secure it in place. Thanks so much for watching. Consider subscribing for the latest updates to all LTS solutions. Until next time.